Hi and welcome to my video, the Forex Trading Top 11 Mistakes. Are you making them? My name's Tim Titchmarsh from Deckchair Trader. I wanted to share with you what I consider to be the top 11 mistakes rookie traders, and maybe experienced traders, make. Discipline is vital when trading seriously, and following well-established processes and habits does work. So why do many traders think they can wing it and do it their own way? Follow the habits of successful people and you will be successful. So here goes. Number 1, not having a trading plan. Like any business, you need a plan to know where you are going and how to get there. Many traders don't want to put the effort into creating a plan, they just want to get stuck in. You know, it worked when I was trading my demo account, so why not now? That is so wrong. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. You need to be able to monitor your progress, measure your results and take action as needed. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. It also gives you a peace of mind. Following a plan allows your mind not to worry and invent various scenarios of what could happen when the going gets tough. You know that following the plan will get you through. 2. Giving in to emotions. Emotional trading is a very bad habit to have and must be conquered. It leads you astray and makes you irrational. You will lose money, and this fact compounds the problem. Having a plan, going with the plan, and not being tempted to tinker, fiddle and override the plan will win out in the end. I remember in my early trading days I fiddled and tinkered with trades when it started to get a bit hairy, and they've always gone on to lose me money. So I no longer interfere and stick to the plan. 3. Patience. The reason most people want to get into trading is to make money. Lots of it. However, most schemes seem to offer an instant path to riches. Sadly, it's not so easy. It takes time for a trade to make some real pips and hence make you some real money. It can take hours, days or weeks for a trade to close out, depending on the time frame and style of trading. Now, I know there are traders scalping the markets for a few pips and doing it many times a day. But these are seasoned professionals who love spending time at their trading terminals grabbing a few pips here and there. Most beginners should keep well clear of these strategies and stick to the longer time frames. It takes a lot of patience to wait days or weeks for a trade to close, but all the time it's slowly clocking up profits. 4. Insufficient risk-reward ratio. It's important to understand that trading is all about the risk-to-reward ratio. No trader always makes profitable trades. You will have losers, you must accept that, and that is part of the process. The key is to make sure that you have at least a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, ideally more of course. Now some trades may give you a 10-to-1 return if they run long and profitably enough. Remember to cut your losses short and let your winning trades run is a good old adage. So don't get flustered if you are having a losing run of 3 or 4 trades on the trot. The winning trades will make up for it in the long run. Follow the plan. 5. Trading sizes too large. Traders have been running their 100k demo account for a while and then they want to go live with their actual 1k account. But what they don't understand is that the position sizing and how to set their lot size and their stop loss, so place trades the same size as the demo account. The result is they run out of money very quickly after a run of a few losses. 6. Too many indicators. There are various thoughts on this. Some traders swear they don't use or need them. Others will have a screen full of indicators. If you're using them, probably 1 or 2 will suffice. You tend to have a main indicator, maybe a moving average, and a confirmation indicator, maybe an oscillator. Having too many will just add to the clutter and overall noise, and worse, maybe showing effectively the same result which you take to be more confirmation. 7. Not using the higher time frames. For beginners, avoid lower time frames. Usually the 4 hours and above are good starting points. The 1 minute, 5 minute and 15 minute charts look much sexier as there seems to be more going on. The charts are bouncing up and down and you feel really involved, but things happen too fast and you get too involved and start losing control and money. Ideally, we want to spend as little time looking at charts and spending the time with our family and friends, and of course enjoying a Deckchair Trader lifestyle. 8. Going live too early. It's a mistake to go too live too early. I mean, would you drive a Ferrari flat out around a track if you haven't even passed your driving test? No, of course not. So practice on the demo in a realistic manner. Master and understand the processes and what's going on. Understand what you're looking at. Be consistently profitable. Then and only then move over to a live account. 9. Not cutting your losses early enough. If you have a trading plan, which of course you will have worked out your stop loss levels, then your losses should be managed by the plan. If, however, things start to go astray, you need to be ruthless and cut your losses. Don't be tempted to think that the market will be kind and bounce back for you, giving you a break-even point, or even worse, some profits. It may, but usually it may not, and that wasn't part of the plan, was it? So when you've closed a trade and made a loss, don't dwell on it. It happens, move on, and follow the plan. 10. Picking the wrong broker. Although brokers all seem to offer the same or similar products, do check the fine detail. It's essential any profits that you make are not swallowed up by choosing a broker with wide spreads, excessive fees, poor swap rates, and also consider the payment choices, as third-party bank fees, etc. all erode your precious profit, especially if you are trading with a small account. 11. Not enjoying what you do. Trading can be stressful if you do it wrong, so do it right and enjoy it. There is nothing sweeter than following a plan that brings in consistent profits, makes you and your family happy and wealthy, and leads to a path of financial freedom. Also available as an ebook, please check out my website www.deckchairtrader.com. Many thanks for listening, and I hope you're not making these mistakes. Enjoy that Deckchair Trader lifestyle. You deserve it.